Once upon a time in a forest, there was a little girl who always wore a bright red hood, so everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. But wait, kids, look! Who is that sneaking into Grandma's house? Those pointy ears, and what is he mumbling?
Luma, my sweet girl. Please come here.
I am here, Mom. Smells so good.
Take this to Grandma. Today is a very special day. Walk straight, Luma. Do not stop to play.
I promise, Mom. I will go straight there. Going to Grandma's house, walking on the path. Wow! What is that shiny thing over there? Oh, they are so beautiful. Just one little look. Come here, pretty bubble. Let me catch you. Ha ha! That is so funny. This is the best game ever. Fly higher. Oh. The sun is so high now. Oh no. Mom said do not stop to play. I am late. I am so late for Grandma. Whew, I am finally here. I hope Grandma is not angry. Grandma, are you at home? Wow. Why are there stars in the room?
Oh, she is here early. Act normal, Nova.
Grandma, why are you hiding under the blanket?
I feel a little cold today, my dear.
But Grandma? Ugh! What big ears you have today!
All the better to hear the fun music clearly, my dear.
Music? But it is so quiet. And Grandma, what big eyes you have!
All the better to see the beautiful balloons, sweetie.
Balloons? You are so funny today. And, what a long mouth you have!
All the better to shout! A surprise! Beat! Happy holiday, Luma!
Oh my goodness!
Ouch! I am so clumsy. Are you okay, Luma?
You are the wolf! Why are you wearing Grandma's sweater?
Surprise, my darling! Nova is helping me decorate.
Grandma, you look so beautiful! What is all this?
It is a party for your summer holiday.
Huh?
We wanted to surprise you.
I tried my best. But I made a big mess. Sorry, Luma.
Do not say sorry, Nova. It is the best surprise ever!
Hello, everyone. The music is here.
Luma. Did you take the winding path again? I waited on the straight road.
Yes, Uncle Arlo. I saw some beautiful bubbles.
The winding path is fun, but you almost missed your party, sweetie.
I know, Grandma. I brought Mom's cookies for everyone. Here, Nova. Thank you for the funny surprise.
Wow, this is delicious. You are so kind, Luma.
All right, friends, let's dance and celebrate the summer.
1, 2, 3. Follow my steps, Nova.
I am trying, Grandma Lena. This is fun.
Summer days are here to stay. Happy times are on the way.
Luma auf Tjurfestel.
Luma learned a little lesson today.
Goodbye, pretty butterflies. I must go straight today. Walking straight, feeling great. Grandma, here I come.
And she knew that focusing on her goal was the best path.
Grandma, I am here, and I am right on time.
My punctual little girl. Come give me a hug.
Hi, Luma. I baked these myself without breaking anything.
I missed you, Grandma.
See? The straight path has its own sweet rewards.
Yes, Uncle Arlo is right. The best rewards are here.
Do you want another cookie, Luma?
Eat slowly, children. There is plenty of food for everyone.
Listen up, everyone. I have a special song for Luma.
Woohoo! Sing it, Arlo. Sing it loud.
Oh, this is my favorite song.
I love it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Look at me. I'm a dancing wolf.
Your feet are too big for dancing, Nova.
I know. But my heart is happy.
Come on, Arlo. Put the guitar down and dance.
Oh dear, I am better at playing music than dancing.
Oh, come on, Uncle Arlo.
This is the best summer day of my life.
Here comes the cake. Make a wish, Luma.
I wish to always have my friends and family with me.
Happy summer holiday, Luma!
Here is the biggest piece for our special girl.
It is so sweet and soft. Thank you, Grandma.
You have a little cream on your nose, Luma.
Oops. Thank you, Nova. I am just so hungry.
That was a great party. Now we must clean up. I will help. I promise I will not break anything this time.
Me too. We will clean it up very fast together. Remember, go straight to your goals and joy will follow.
And so, they all cleaned up and had a wonderful evening.
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.